The month of November has us multiplying by 6. That's our student-facing goal. And what we're going to do to warm up for this one is we're just going to use multiples of 6 cards. Now, these aren't as easy to skip count by. So what I would recommend doing is having them, like mixing them up and having them put them in order. This is something they can do. They know hopefully what the next number would be just based on looking at all these cards. And you can just have each person put the next card. Whoever's turn it is puts the next card. And I would like some really good strategies like, okay, we know 6 plus 6 is 12. And then we know 2 plus 6 is 8. So it has to be 18 next. And then what would the next 6 be? 2 more would be 20 plus 4 would be 24. So you can be helping them think about decomposing numbers to be able to get to the next multiple of 6. And then if they get really good at putting them in order, you can go ahead and do the thing where you hide one or don't reveal the last card. So that will just get them used to seeing those products. And then we have visual area cards. Now these are special because they have a red line in them. And you might want to start by asking them, why is there a red line? Because most times they have no idea. So we can think about times 6 as 2 3 facts. So here we have 3 rows with 4 in each row, it's 12. And here we have 3 rows with 4 in each row, which is 12. 12 plus 12 is the same thing as 6 times 4, which is 24. So you can have them have both out and kind of make that connection. So when they finally get this one, they'll know, oh, I can just split this into 2 3s. That way they're getting much practice with doubling the 3s. These again are for division. You're going to save those for later, but this will give them lots of practice with doubling 3s to solve 6s. We also have visual dot cards for you again. The 6s are in here somewhere. Just got to dump them out. Of course, I'm doing this on a video, so can't find them exactly. But they're all different ones with 6 in groups, some covered, some not. And again, writing products, expressions, etc. And last, actually not last, I have 2 more. We have bar model cards, which have some unique things. They need to look for the 6s. So we're not counting ladybugs. We're counting the legs on the ladybugs because there's 6 on each ladybug. So they have to count the number of ladybugs times 6. In some of these, it's obvious, like there's 6 fingers. There's 6 trees, 6 watermelons, 6 dice. And again, you have some division cards that are in here. Save those for the division time. Right expressions, right products, all of the above. The more ways they can see multiplication, the better. And last, I have some array cards. So you're going to go right to the 6s. And this is, again, another example. I'll start with a lower one. You could think about splitting 6 times 2 into 3 times 2 and 3 times 2. So if they're really stuck trying to count by 6s, just say, well, what is 3 times? Well, these are really big ones. Those are for your enrichment students. What's 3 times 10 plus 3 times 10? Again, other strategies that might work for you. Okay, that's it for the 6 practice. That should be lots and lots of different ways. You might do 1 a week, 2 a week. It's kind of up to you. And then just go ahead and check their 6s by the end of the month. And really, they've already learned facts up to 5. So they should have most of these because 6 times 4, they should already know from October. They already know 6 times 5 from 3rd grade. So really it's just 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, and 6 times 9 because they already have 6 times 10. So it really shouldn't be too difficult.